Today we're checking out this neat 1972 Chevy Corvette Stingray.
Yeah, what's better than a triple black 1972 Corvette convertible, huh? It's got the hard top. It does come with a soft top as well, Dalton, but the soft top does need to be redone.
This is a really neat car, driver quality paint, a very nice interior. Pretty sound engine.
So as we go around this Corvette, just a great running, driving car. The paint job was done back in 2002, so it does have a lot of little paint imperfections and a few little cracks, stuff like that. But a great running engine, numbers matching engine, headers. It's got power steering, factory 4-speed, and a beautiful interior. Fortunately, we're starting to get a few little raindrops here, so we're going to try to get through this as quick as we can here. And as far as a few little cracks here, we do have a couple cracks on this hood, one on each side of the hood. Little scratches here as well. It's late in the day Friday, and we're really trying to get this video done here, but unfortunately we just didn't beat the rain. What a great look, great stance, awesome wheels and tires. I really love this car as far as the stance, the interior, the drivability of it, Dalton.
Yeah, absolutely.
Check out that interior. The seats are perfect. The steering wheel, steering column, gauges are crystal clear. It's got 81,000 miles, and like I said, the gauges are nice. All the gauges up here work perfectly. I know we're kind of hurrying it a little bit, Dee, but should we just take her for a ride before she gets raining on us too bad?
That sounds good.
I love the exhaust on it as well.
Yeah, the big thing with it, super neat car, but a lot of fun, but just driver quality. Or older repaint.
Yeah, it's 22-year-old paint job. So if a guy wants a show car, repaint it, put a new top on it, and have, you know, and you got a great car. But for now, it's super fun, and like I said, very, very nice interior.
Think this old 72 Corvette can outrun the rain, outrun the storm?
I doubt it. Looks like our temp gauge, oil pressure's got great oil pressure. Look at that oil pressure on that one.
The interior is beautiful.
Yeah, it's freaking nice, huh? Wipers work great. Tach works. The only thing that doesn't work is the speedometer. Was a factory air car. Heater fan works too. So speedometer is the only thing that that I know about Dalton right now that's not working. And it idles perfect.
Yeah, it does. Really runs and shifts nice too. I just drove it earlier. There we go. Fun.
It's a lot of fun. Hopefully it brakes nice.
Yeah.
Look at the brakes. Absolutely perfect. No pull left or right. The steering wheel is straight as hell. How you doing, Steve? Nothing but smiles in this baby, huh?
How's ass? Sounds sweet too.
I'm glad the speedometer doesn't work.
Yeah.
I don't think I want to know how fast I was going there.
Good excuse to get out of a ticket.
Sorry, officer, it doesn't work. It's a good excuse on this one.
Going the speed of traffic.
Hey, I know it's a little loud right now, but going down the road with the convertible top down, but the temperature gauge is working. I just love how both of us are big guys and we fit great in this car. All new padding on the seats. Man, like I said, nothing but smiles in this triple black 4-speed Corvette, man. A lot of fun, huh?
A lot of fun. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Links down in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.